What's the meaning of bat? Bat. Bat.
Bat. Bat. The term bat can have multiple meanings depending on the context. As a noun, it typically refers to a flying mammal with leathery wings and sharp teeth, commonly found in caves or roosting in trees. However, it can also refer to a tool used for hitting a ball in sports such as cricket or baseball, or to a club-like weapon used for self-defense. As a verb, bat can mean to hit something repeatedly with a slapping motion, or to flutter or fly about like a bat. It can also be used informally to mean strike out or fail in an attempt.